Commercial property and legal practice. Commercial property is all about dealing with property that is not residential. It can often be called real estate or commercial property and can include working with things like offices, factories, retail units, and more. Most transactions will include working with leases or licenses, sales or purchases, and most definitely working with the land registry. Transactions in commercial property can include sales and purchases of property, leases and licenses. When working on these matters, due diligence is important to understand the history of the relevant property and whether there's any risk involved. Contract reviews are particularly important for sales and purchases and for complex leases. Leases and licenses will also be reviewed, so a lot of contract law is involved. Essentially, you're advising on risk, whether that's financial risk or risk that will impact the property in the future. The use of the land registry is important for any commercial property practitioner. This will include looking at the registered title for the relevant property, reviewing any associated documents, whether that's any leases, licenses, mortgages for the property, reviewing any plans, especially in relation to rights of way, dealing with registration when the matter completes, and SDLT, which is stamp duty land tax. Commercial property can be really important when supporting other teams within a legal department or a law firm. For example, working on corporate transactions when another company is purchasing a different company and they may purchase assets, including property. Banking and finance, if a bank is taking a mortgage or other financial instruments over specific property. Supporting planning teams in related property transactions, and for those in-house, supporting estates teams with large property portfolios. Watch this space for more exciting content.